What time did you? Tuesday. Tuesday. I'm gonna eat his ear. I'm gonna eat his freaking ear. Some of you probably don't know because if you're new, but we got married April 15th. Tomorrow's gonna be May 15th. So I have to do something special for my anniversary. Oh my God, that was stuff. What you working with? Come on. Good morning, guys. We are on our way to do what, babe? Dealership. We're on our way to the dealership. We've been hiding something from you guys. What have we been hiding, babe? My name's Agaduk. We got a car. Well, another car. We still have my Nissan, but we got a new car. We are riding in it right now, but we are not going to show you guys just yet. We're about to head to the dealership to finish signing some papers. Turns out our finance dude there got us a better rate, so we're going to go look and see what he's got our rate lowered to, and also maybe our monthly payments. So that's it, guys. Right now, stop, pause the video, comment down below before the next clip of what color you think the car is. So go ahead and comment right now. How many people you think's gonna get it right? No one. No one. I don't think either has. It's some exclusive stuff, guys. Exclusive. It's exclusive. But yeah, so we're just gonna head there, and then I'm gonna go look at some cats because we've been thinking about getting some more kitties, and that's gonna be about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. See you guys later. Bye. But yeah, we got the car, guys. I'm excited, babe. I'm excited. I'm so excited. We just had to come finish up some paperwork. We got it all worked out. Super easy. 5 minutes in and out. Awesome. If you're in Fayetteville, come to, what is it? Chrysler, Jeep, and what, Mini Cooper. Come to them. Well, no, she kept saying Mini Cooper yesterday. So and it's Hendrick. Yeah, Hendrick. Chrysler and Jeep. So come see them. Real super. Charlotte was our person. She was super good. Andrew's good. And we just got a few. We got, look at this Wrangler. Wrangler's nice. Then we got Cabas. He isn't for sale. We got the Renegade out there. The Grand Cherokee. This Grand Cherokee is so nice. Looks like a little Durango, doesn't it? This is the one we got, guys. So if you guess blue, it is blue. But it's not the one we got, but it's the same one. We're in ours now. Look at this backup camera, though. Yes. I always wondered what it felt like to have a backup camera, and now we got one. Yeah. You love it, babe? Yes. Too bad they ain't the Chrysler 300 sitting there. We're not getting a Chrysler 300. This is the Fiat. Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's the one that looks like the BMW that I was telling you about. That's the one I seen. What you call it? Car. Guys, this is so nice. I mean, we'll give you a full car tour if Calvis wants to, but yes, this is so nice. We love it. We love it. We love it. Oh, yeah. We love it. We love it. No, we love it. Good afternoon, everybody. We are in GameStop, and we were just now kicking our day off. We were both off today. Well, I had to go to work this morning, but and we're at GameStop, and Kelly's is back there browsing. So I'm looking for a headset. Kevin's kind of looking into getting a bundle, PS4 bundle. But as you guys know, I've been playing Friday the 13th, so I really can't talk to anybody. I can hear people, but I can't talk to them. So if you know how to fix that, let me know. But we're just going to finish looking, and we'll get on with you guys in a little bit. Bye. Alright, guys. We have somehow made our way to PetSmart, and they have this little bird, which is $600. He's so cute, though. I'm terrified of birds, but usually if they're locked up, I'm pretty okay. But we have some down here, which are on sale for $21.99. Maybe this is more in our budget if we were to get a bird. But this one keeps eating metal or whatever. Hey, drop it. Uh-oh. He's mad. Come get something, buddy. It was totally fantastic a minute ago. And then over here we just have a little bit more birds. These are kind of like the more cheaper ones that are $21.99 as well. But yeah, I can do okay when they're not. Look at them. You can follow me. Don't come over here and get no attitude. Don't get no attitude with me, Mr. Bird. Get no attitude with me. Look at him. You see how I'm moving this? Come get something, Bird. Go get something. Uh-oh. Guys, if he had got out this cat, guys, if he gets out like this, guys, I'd have a freaking fit. But I think we're about to go look at the cat, so let's walk over. Hey, Daddy. You ready to go look at the kitty cats? Like you keep getting a little attitude with me. Hey, yeah, catch me outside, Bird. Catch me outside. Yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot you can go in there and touch them. It's real nice. Trying to be exciting. Alright, so this is Chadberry. And their Kister kitty. This was Pixel. We didn't take Pixel out of play. And he's 4 months. Okay, he's big. And then we got Nico, which is, he's adorable, baby. I love him. He is adorable. Hi, Nico. Pixel.
This one's Checkers.
We can't really do anything but the first one, so I don't want to play with her because, especially if she doesn't like any other cats. Hi, Mr. Kitty. And this one is Checkers. Now she's a female.
Yes.
Oh, you're so precious. Yes, you are.
She's purring.
She is. You're so precious. Hi, Mr. None of them are hissed at each other, so I guess that's good too.
That's a good sign, but it does happen. So.
You like the white one, don't you? Alright, well, what is up, guys? We just got to Durham. We are going to see the Annabelle Creations because my dad invited us. He had extra tickets to see it a little early, so that's what we're doing. So, say what up, babe?
Hey.
So, yeah. But, guys, I'm still thinking about that little kitten that we petted earlier. And I really want him.
I don't know. We'll see.
Yeah, we'll have to think about it. It's a big commitment to have 2 cats and one being a kitten, so we would have to sit there and actually train them, teach them what not to touch and what not to like scratch. And also just kittens require a lot of attention. Not that we wouldn't be able to give them it, but it's just a lot taken into consideration just off of one time seeing them. So we're about to head into the movies and we'll get up with you guys afterwards. Bye. Alright, what is up, guys? We just got out of Annabelle Creation, and guys, that movie was freaking wild, babe. Wasn't it wild? It was wild to me.
Yes.
I was stressed out the whole movie. I was just like, man, come on. We're not going to give you any spoilers, but guys, it is so good. So I think it comes like August 11th, comes out August 11th, so make sure you guys go see it. It was so freaking good.
Yeah.
I enjoyed it.
I give it a 10 out of 10.
Yeah, it was up there. It was good. It's good to see like a scary movie that's actually scary, like that actually scares you. Like, whereas you got these other movies such as, what's a movie that really didn't scare us? Like Krampus and all this other BS like that.
Oh, Krampus
like,
not really
yeah,
good.
Krampus was considered a scary movie though. Oh, they just ran that red light too. Take off. But guys, it was wild. I'm still like, OMG. And guys, we had like this, like the scariest people behind us. They were screaming the whole time. Ah!
Yeah.
And they were 2 grown men, and it was just crazy. So right now we're gonna head on back to my aunt's house, and we are going to just sit there for a little bit and chill out, and we will get up with you guys later.
Adios.